I'm Leah and you're watching Foodies TV. Now, we all love to eat well and travel well, and on our YouTube channel we will show you the best chefs, restaurants and dishes from all over the world. We'll help you plan your best vacation, so let's get started. Holding the medal for the oldest city in Georgia, Savannah attracts more than 13 million people every year. Known as the city where the first question you will be asked is, what would you like to drink? Savannah is a very casual and charming city, packed with historic attractions and southern atmosphere. If you have read or watched Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil, you will know exactly what I mean. Our first tip for any traveller, especially if it's your first time visiting a city, is to see the top tourist destinations. Now this means that before you go shopping or visit any of those yummy restaurants, that you start by exploring the city's most important attractions. If it's your first visit to Savannah, you should head to the historic district. Here you can find City Market, offering everything from dining and shopping to art and entertainment. If you need to take a break, just move to Forsyth Park, which is located in the southern part of the historic district. If you're a true fan of Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil, then you should visit Bon Adventure Cemetery, which is featured in the book and movie. In the cemetery you can find even the Bird Girl statue, which appears on the book cover. Our next tip will help you see the city in a brand new light. We think the best thing to do is to take an evening walk or a guided night tour to see the city illuminated. Seeing the city's famous attractions lit up at night is like seeing the city for the first time all over again. 3. And here is a foodie tip. If you're looking to explore the best food from Savannah, try timing your visit in November when the Food and Wine Festival of Savannah takes place. This is the one event that lets you explore all of what the city has to offer. Thanks for watching our video. We hope we've given you some great ideas for your next vacation. Now, if you want to take a break from planning your next trip, then feel free to scroll through our videos on Foodies TV, from some of the most bizarre dishes to some of the best desserts in the world. Subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. See you next time.